Welcome to the Awaken Your Unshakable Confidence mindset. You are tuning in to Reboot Awareness Reprogramming, your strategic hypnotic programming for unshakable confidence. For the most powerful, permanent results, commit to listening to this audio daily for at least 21 days. Ensure your environment is completely free of distractions. And remember, never listen to this session while driving or operating machinery. Are you ready to step into a new timeline? To effortlessly forge a completely new version of yourself simply by listening? If you are ready, say the words, "I agree," right now to agree. And let us begin reprogramming your subconscious mind. Take a nice deep breath in. And as you let it out, just allow your eyes to close. That's right. And as your eyes close, notice how good it feels to finally let go of all that old, unnecessary tension. Good. Now I want you to focus on the sound of my voice, and only my voice. Because as you listen, something powerful is already beginning to happen inside you. You know, one of the things I love about the way the mind works is how quickly it can change. Really quickly. Like right now. You don't have to try. You don't have to force anything. Your unconscious mind is already listening and learning. And it's delighted because it's been waiting for this moment. Let your breathing become slow and easy. Deeper and deeper with every breath. And as you breathe, imagine a warm wave of relaxation starting at the top of your head, flowing down across your forehead, relaxing your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Just let it all go. That's right. Feel that relaxation flowing down into your neck and shoulders, melting away any old stress, any old tightness, releasing it completely. Down through your arms, into your hands, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Perfect. Now that relaxation continues flowing down your chest, your stomach, your back, loosening everything, deeper and deeper. Down through your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. And as you feel this deep, comfortable relaxation, your unconscious mind opens wide, ready to receive exactly what you need now. And here's the thing, all those old limiting beliefs, all those past failures, they're just old programs. Like old software that someone installed a long time ago. And it was never really you. It was just noise. And right now, you can begin to delete them completely. Just like pressing delete on a computer and watching them vanish. Imagine walking into an old, dusty room in your mind. A room filled with boxes labeled, "I can't," "I'm not good enough," "It always goes wrong," "Remember that time you failed?" All that old crap. And you don't have to analyze it. You don't have to feel it again. You simply open the door and a powerful cleansing light comes pouring in. Brighter and brighter, dissolving every single one of those old beliefs, turning them into nothing but harmless dust that blows away on the wind. Gone. Completely gone. And you feel lighter, freer, cleaner with every second. All past failures, they're just stories now. Old movies that you can fast forward through, shrink down, make black and white, and then turn off completely. Because the truth is, every so-called failure was simply feedback. And your unconscious has already learned everything useful from them. And now, it's time to let them go. Release them. Let them drift away like leaves on a river, floating farther and farther away until they disappear completely. Good. That's right. Now, as those old limitations dissolve, we begin installing something much more powerful. Unshakable confidence. The kind of confidence that doesn't depend on circumstances, that doesn't waver, that stands rock solid no matter what. Feel it starting in the center of your chest. A warm, golden light. Growing stronger. Pulsing with power. This is your natural, unstoppable confidence, and as it grows, it spreads through your entire body, filling every cell, every nerve, every part of your being. You can feel it now. This deep, calm, rock-solid certainty that you are more than enough, that you handle anything that comes your way, easily, naturally, powerfully. Imagine stepping into a future version of yourself, a you who walks with total confidence, head held high, voice strong and clear, decisions made decisively. See how that future you moves, how people respond to that future you. Notice the respect, the opportunities, the ease. And as you watch that future you, step into that body now. Feel it from the inside. Own it completely. This is who you are becoming, who you already are at your core. And because this confidence is unshakable, nothing outside can touch it. Criticism? Just information. Challenges? Exciting opportunities. Setbacks? Temporary and useful. Your confidence remains absolute because it's based on who you truly are, not on what happens. It's permanent. It's yours. Now. I want you to remember a time when you felt really confident, even for a moment. Maybe when you did something well, or stood up for yourself, or just knew you had it. Take that feeling and make it 10 times stronger, brighter, more intense. Now, double it again. And anchor it right here, in your body, so that any time you need it, you can simply touch your thumb and forefinger together, and that unshakable confidence floods through you instantly, stronger every time you do it. Your unconscious mind now accepts this new programming completely. Limiting beliefs? Deleted. Past failures? Neutralized and learned from. Confidence? Installed permanently. Unshakable. Natural. Automatic. And from this moment forward, you carry this deep inner knowing, this rock-solid belief in yourself, in every situation. Speaking up, taking action, pursuing your goals, all done with total confidence and power. You feel calm, centered, unstoppable. In the days and weeks ahead, you'll notice yourself acting differently, thinking differently, feeling differently, more decisive, more charismatic, more at ease. People will notice, you'll notice, and every night as you sleep, your unconscious will continue reinforcing this new, powerful identity, making it stronger and stronger. Now, take a few moments to enjoy this new feeling. Let it integrate deeply, all the way down into the deepest parts of your mind, where real change happens. And when you're ready, in your own time, you can begin to come back, bringing all this unshakable confidence with you, feeling refreshed, energized, absolutely certain of your power. Count yourself up from 1 to 5, and at 5, you'll be wide awake, feeling better than you have in years. 1. Beginning to come back now. 2. Energy flowing through your body. 3. More alert and confident. 4. Almost there. 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling fantastic. Unshakable confidence fully installed.